Good morning, everybody. Hi, I'm Leanna. I'm here on my sun porch to show you a couple projects I have going on and some of my flowers that I have growing here. I'd first like to show you some of my plants that I've brought in and wintered over. And then we'll do a little project with some pansies for my Easter centerpiece. So here we go. This right here is my moss fern. A friend gave me this. It was really tiny, and I've cut it back 8 or 10 times since she gave it to me. It was my Get Better plant, and boy, it's grown a lot, and I've gotten better a lot. So thanks to Jenny for that. It's called a moss fern. Down here is some stuff I'm growing. Whoops. Get my strap out of the way. Here's some parsley. I got peppers I planted. They're not up yet. And then I've got some garlic back here. And over on this side. Oh, welcome everybody. I have my big asparagus fern. It has tons of berries on it, which these are all seeds that I can plant and have more. Remember, Santa's always watching you. Be good. Then I have some dill planted in this pot. Over here I have some verbena. Then I have some parsley and some other stuff. But here's a bunch of water we got from our rain barrel, which is helping with planting. And then I have some little purple violas or lilac. And then I have some purple pansies and some yellow pansies. And then over here on this table I have quite a mess. I have some hyacinths growing and some tulips in here, and then my elephant ear and some moss I got at the river. Lots of plants and bulbs and phlox and different things I want to plant in my yard. But here, let me get this back over here, then I'll show you what we're going to do. Little basket, and then I have this pot, and I'm going to put some of these in. I'll put these purple ones and the yellow ones. I have a problem with this hand, so it wants to curl, so I just put stuff in it and then let it curl and squeeze it, and then I can hold stuff. So try to use that as your advantage. First I'm going to put some yellow in this side. Boy, these are pretty. And I'll just put 2, and then I scoot the dirt over. A lot of times I use my hand. They say it's great therapy to put your hands in dirt. I'm a believer of that. Then I'll put a couple of the purple in there. In the middle. Then on the other side we'll put a couple more yellow ones in. Then, like all plants, when you transplant them, make sure you water them good. But whoops, isn't that pretty? I just poured water from the bottom of the pot on the floor. Great. Okay, now in this I'm just going to keep them in this, hook this on my hook hand and squeeze, and then just put them down in here. See, I got them in here, and then I'll squeeze this one in next to it. Then there's a couple holes in there, so I'll just pop out a couple of these and stick them in the holes to fill it in. And here we go. We have another pretty little basket to set in the house. I'll set that on the table right now. But thanks again for joining me. Next week I hope to show you some of my flowers blooming in the yard if we ever get spring here. Bye. Happy planting.